Welcome to Madison College. We are so excited that you have decided to pursue a career in healthcare. In this presentation, we will be going over a few topics that will help you get started in your program. Some of the topics we will discuss include what an academic advisor can do for you, your degree progress report for your program and how to read it, as well as next steps. Now, what is academic advising? Every program has an assigned academic advisor that can assist you throughout your time here at the college. They can help you with the following: plan courses every semester based on your schedule, connect you to college resources, navigate college processes and paperwork, give you advice based on your career goals, and you should plan to meet with your advisor each semester to go over course selection and planning. What is petitioning? The petition process is the method that students follow to tell Madison College when they are ready and prepared to move forward with the core program courses. After being admitted to pre-program status, students are then selected for entry into core program courses through a petition process. These petition requirements vary by program. Some of the requirements may include reading, writing, math, and science. This is where your degree progress report that we will be discussing in the next few slides will be important to view and understand so that you are aware of what requirements are needed to petition. Students need to petition and be accepted through this process before they are able to start and register for core program courses. Additional information about the petition process and wait times for the programs can be found on the following webpage. In the next few slides, we will learn how to read your degree progress report. We will talk about the following topics: degree progress report sections, satisfied versus not satisfied, programs with required testing, programs with required workshops, transferable versus non-transferable course options. And please also note that degree progress reports can vary by program. Images that are used in this presentation are solely for educational purposes. Please view your specific degree progress report for information related to your specific program. When reviewing your degree progress report, you may notice that there are different sections. Sections will vary based on the program that you are in. Pre-program requirements section include courses that you are required to take in order to petition. General education and elective courses section include courses that are not required to petition. These can be taken before or while in your core program classes. These are considered graduation requirements. Non-petition requirements or standalone courses are courses that are not required to petition. These can also be taken before or while you're in your core program classes and are not considered graduation requirement, or they are considered graduation requirements. If a requirement is showing as not satisfied, you will see multiple ways in which you can meet the requirement. In the example above, you can meet the chemistry requirement one of the following ways: through high school coursework or through college level coursework. Certain programs will require you to complete a testing requirement. If you do not already meet this requirement through prior testing, like ACT you took in high school, we typically suggest waiting to take until you are further along with your petition requirements to help prepare you for the test. You can meet the requirement by achieving one of the composite test scores listed. In this example, the testing requirement can be met one of the following ways: completing the ACT with a composite score of 18 or above, completing the HESI with a composite score of 72% or higher. Certain programs will require you to complete a workshop. This workshop is mandatory and will give you additional insight into your program, resources at the college, information about the petition process, and contacts who can assist you. Some programs may also require you to complete assignments and/or quizzes to satisfy this requirement. This workshop is completed online through Madison College's online learning platform, Blackboard. When reviewing your degree progress report, you may notice that certain requirements include a variety of courses to choose from. In this example, written communication, you'll see under courses available there are different options. The courses highlighted in yellow will transfer to a four-year university to meet bachelor's degree requirements, while the courses that are not highlighted will count toward programs at Madison College, but will not transfer to a university. Please always consult your academic advisor if you are unsure whether a course will transfer or not. The only programs that do not petition within the School of Health include OpTech and Medical Lab Tech, the traditional program. These programs also have degree progress reports that will outline requirements that are needed before starting core program classes. Once these requirements are satisfied, you will be eligible to enroll in your core program classes. Workshops in Blackboard are also available for these programs and include information about your program, resources at the college, and helpful contacts within your program. Your next steps include the following. Run your degree progress report and write down requirements you have left to take. Review your workshop in Blackboard and complete assignments and/or quizzes. Also, schedule a 30-minute one-on-one appointment with your academic advisor. Let's also quickly talk about course enrollment. Please click on the Current Students tab in the upper right corner on our main website. Then click on My Madison College. When you log into your My Madison College account, you will see a series of tiles. Today we will be using the Classes tile, but you can find tuition balance and financial aid in the My Finances tile and schedule appointments with your academic advisor through the Navigate tile. When you're under the course enrollment page, you will click Search and Enroll and select Spring 2022 for the term. When you are picking classes, be sure to consider the days and times, campus location, method of instruction for each class. Classes can be in person, online, online live, accelerated, hybrid, or telepresence. Some other considerations when selecting classes include the number of credits for each class, the number of seats available, the travel time between classes. Also, please note that classes cannot overlap. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We are so happy to have you here at Madison College.